Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Encryptos, where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to copy your wallet address for deposit, right? So you want to deposit money to your wallet address, how to do that. But before we get started, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on that notification button so you get notified each time we post an important video like this. So let's get started. Right here is your L-Bank Exchange app. So all you'll be needing to do is just go to your wallet right here. Once you go to your wallet, this is what you'll be seeing. So right now, remember, you want to deposit money to your wallet address. So you need to click on this deposit icon right here. Once you click on it, now you'll be seeing buy crypto right here. That doesn't concern you except you want to buy from the app, right? But right now you already have crypto elsewhere, or you want someone to deposit money for you. So right here, you go ahead and click whichever crypto pair you need. Do you want to deposit through BTC, Ethereum, USDT, Shiba, SRP, BNB? So for this video, I'm going with USDT. So you click on USDT. Once you click on USDT, right here you'll be asked which network, and always remember to ask the person who wants to send the crypto pair which network is he or she using. So if it's TRC20, you click on TRC20. Then after that, you come down here, you see where they write copy. Then you copy your wallet address and send it to the person depositing the crypto pair to your wallet. So this is how to copy your wallet address once you want to deposit money to your address. This is how to do that. Thank you. If you're still watching this video, this is Encryptos, where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on that notification button. Link will be in the description below to our free Telegram channel. Do well to check it out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.